How to show contact information on the lock screen for your Motorola phone with Android 15. So this is a Moto G34 phone with Android 15. And this feature basically allows to have some sort of contact information on the off screen, in which when your phone is on the off screen, the information is going to appear right down here. So if you're looking to add this, here's where you can go to do this. To add any kind of information on your lock screen for your Moto phone, go into the quick access like this here, tap on the settings toggle right here. Once you're here, use this search option here as the fastest way to find this feature. So start typing in the words text on lock screen. Once you start typing it, it's going to show up as a suggestion. And when you see it, tap on it one time and it'll take you straight to where you need to go. So now that you're here, you'll tap on it once and this is going to show up. So basically with this here, if I were you, I would put someone else's phone number that you know of. So in case somebody finds your phone, they're going to see that number and they're going to call that number, not your phone number, because if they call your phone number, your phone is going to ring in their hands, or some sort of contact such as an email address in which they can reach out to you, or some way to let them reach out to you, letting you know that they have your phone if they are kind enough to return it. So for you, you would want to put something like your email address. I'm just going to show you how this works. So whatever you type here, you want to press save. And when you go to your lock screen now, you'll notice the information is going to appear down here. So if you put whatever you put here, it's going to show up down here. And if it's very long, it's going to play going across the bottom screen. So yeah, that's a really cool feature. Like and sub.